Compact, Mazda CX-5. More than any other mainstream compact crossover, the 2022 Mazda CX-5 makes its driver feel special. With a price tag that's much closer to a Honda CR-V's than a Porsche Macan's, the Mazda is accessible to the same demographic group as the former, but it's also able to impress those who fall into the latter's tax bracket. The CX-5's base 4-cylinder engine doesn't highlight its dynamic driving personality as well as the optional turbocharged 4, but all models have a ride and handling balance that's unrivaled in this segment. There are more practical alternatives, especially when it concerns cargo space, but no competitors can match the Mazda's elegantly styled and richly appointed interior. The 2022 CX-5's transcendent traits simply outpace all of its classmates, so we put it on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Compact, Volkswagen Tiguan. Volkswagen's Tiguan is a European take on an American classic, the SUV. It offers more athletic handling than many of its rivals, and its cabin has a restrained vibe with plenty of trendy technology features, earning it a spot on our Editor's Choice list. While the Tiguan hasn't proved to be particularly quick at our test track, the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine performs dutifully, sounds refined, and will pass muster with most buyers. Although the Tiguan is sold in global markets, US dealerships only peddle the long wheelbase model, which means a third row of seats is available for those who need it. That kind of cabin flexibility is something that rivals such as the Honda CR-V, the Mazda CX-5, and the Toyota RAV4 don't offer. Compact, Hyundai Tucson. Previewed by the Vision T concept at the 2019 LA Auto Show, the 2022 Hyundai Tucson sports a daring new design that seems destined to shake up the compact SUV marketplace. The entry-level Tucson is powered by a more conventional 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine shared with the Sonata family sedan, but both hybrid and a plug-in hybrid are offered. Those two use a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder augmented by an electric motor. All models are fairly well equipped and the Tucson is among the most stylish options in the segment. It goes head-to-head with several strong rivals such as the Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5, Toyota RAV4, and the Volkswagen Tiguan, but the new Tucson has brought its A-game and earned an Editor's Choice Award for 2022. Compact, Honda CR-V. The 2022 Honda CR-V won't accelerate anyone's heart rate, but its capacious interior and fuel-efficient powertrains make it a compelling compact crossover. In fact, it's one of our favorites, earning a spot on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. The Honda isn't necessarily fun to drive, and neither its standard turbocharged gas engine nor the hybrid model qualifies as quick, but it steers and stops without any fuss. Its ride is also relaxing on long hauls, just go easy on the gas to avoid the base engine's noisy drone. Family road trips will also require fewer fill-ups than many other SUVs thanks to the CR-V's noteworthy fuel economy. A host of standard active safety features and popular tech options help it compete with newer rivals. While the 2022 CR-V isn't the flashiest or classiest in this hotly contested segment, it's still one of the most satisfying and talented entrants. Compact, Ford Bronco Sport. The 2022 Ford Bronco Sport is one of the better compact crossovers for mixing urban living and outdoorsy weekend adventures, earning it a spot on our Editor's Choice list. Styled like a baby version of the full-size Ford Bronco, itself is a retro rendition of classic Broncos, the smaller Sport attracts attention. Its truck-like shape pays dividends inside where headroom and cargo space are generous. While the cabin is marred by some unattractive materials, and its back seat isn't very big, the incorporation of useful features such as hidden storage compartments and a slide-out workbench are unique touches. All-wheel drive is standard, but the potent Turbo 4 engine is reserved for the top-of-the-line Badlands trim, a legit off-road rival to the Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. The standard 3-cylinder engine is pokier, but it's way more fuel-efficient, too. The Big Brother Bronco has greater capabilities, but the 2022 Bronco Sport is more than just a superficial spin-off.